Hey there and welcome to this beautiful home in Brasstown, North Carolina, located at 19 Waldorf Place. This home has an air of class that you just cannot find in today's homes. And one of the things that I love is you look around at this property, it's located in the Sedgwick Valley right here in Brasstown, and the land is flat. It's unbelievably usable. In fact, this property is comprised of 3 separate lots totaling approximately 2.98 acres. It's absolutely stunning. And this is our online open house of this beautiful property. It's the next best thing to being able to see it in person. And listed for only $299,800, it is an exceptional buy, especially since it's almost 4,000 square feet plus a 2-car garage. And because of all these great features, I don't want to cut this video short. I want you to see it just like you were here. So bear in mind that this video will take up to 10 minutes to go through this beautiful home. As you step in the front door, you really come into a classic foyer and you can come into the sitting room. This nice big sitting room is perfect for entertaining guests, playing with family, doing whatever you want. And then not only that, there is a sunroom off the side. Now the current owner uses it as a craft room for their hobbies and doing things like that, but this room is completely flexible and can be used for just about anything that you desire. Now, I want to take you upstairs because the upstairs is where all the bedrooms and sleeping quarters and everything is, and this staircase has a touch of Gone with the Wind to it. And as you come up the stairway, you see the first restroom upstairs, but I really want you to see this first bedroom. This is a guest bedroom that has its own private balcony entrance. It is just a super spacious room. Check out the crown molding at the top of there. You've got your closet. It really is a beautiful room, and there's lots and lots of bedrooms. This home has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. This room is a bonus room and can be used for just about anything that you like. And like all the other rooms, the attention to detail and the trim and everything is absolutely exquisite. Now as you walk down the hall, here's the shared restroom for the guests, complete with its own shower. Now as we go down the hallway, the master bedroom is straight ahead, but check out the storage space that we have in the linen closet here. Now check out this master suite. This is a true master suite. It is huge. You have room for sitting furniture. You have room for a king-size bed, nightstands, and everything. It even comes complete with a his and hers closet. And look at this walk-in closet. Ladies, I believe this is the one that you're going to steal. It is huge. Here's the bathroom. It's got a giant soaking tub and a shower. Private balcony to the left. This balcony is absolutely gorgeous. It overlooks your property with mature landscaping. Beautiful. And look, it goes the whole length of the front. That door on the far side leads to the first bedroom we looked at when we got upstairs. Now as we come down to the end, this is the second walk-in closet that, guys, I think we're going to be the ones using this closet. But it is big and spacious. You've got plenty of room for all your clothes. Now let's walk down the stairs and check this out. I love the curl of the handrails. And the hardwood floors are beautiful. Now here to our left is the guest half bath. I love the faucets on that. That is probably one of my favorite details in the house. Love it. Now, as we step into the dining area, this is a true formal dining area. I know a lot of families want to be able to have space to sit down and enjoy meals with one another. It's a lost thing sometimes, but in this home, you have ample space, not only for your table, but additional furniture. And conveniently, it's located right off the kitchen. One of the things I love is the breakfast area right ahead and how the kitchen is open to that breakfast area and to the living room. So you've got a spot where you can actually entertain and cook and feel like you're part of the fun. Even if you're the chef enjoying cooking a meal, you still get to spend time with the family. You've got your fireplace, built-in cabinetry. I love the picture window overlooking the property. To our left leads to the half bath, but let's check out the laundry. Love the fact that it's so large to have its own sink, lots of built-in cabinetry, and room for your washer and dryer. This is a really nice laundry room. Now, let's go downstairs because downstairs is something really cool that not every house has. Down here we have a true mother-in-law suite style space with ample room. A king-size bed fits in this room perfectly. You've got a closet straight ahead. So if you have a family member or a teenager or someone who might be elderly or anyone that you know that might need to live with you for a while, this space is spectacular because they can have their own true space. They've got a full bathroom. And look at the tile floors. That's a tile floor to look like wood. It's really a nice accent. Plus you've got your wet bar. You've got your own exterior entrance, so if you didn't even want to come in through the main level of the house, you don't have to. That's really convenient. That way, if you have someone who does want privacy, they can certainly do so in the home. Now, straight ahead, I mentioned this house is almost 4,000 square feet. This space here in this unfinished basement area is not even included. You have so much room down here, and they use this for storage. The owner even has an office set up down here to keep, and plenty of room to keep all your tools, equipment, you name it. It's a huge space. In fact, this additional space is almost another 1,000 square feet. I believe it came in at 945 square feet approximately, but it is a very large space that you can leave as is, or you can finish out if you do need more room in the home. Now, there's a lot more to this home that we're going to go check out right now. Now, as we step outside, you're going to see an amazing space to go outdoors and really enjoy. As you can see, you have lots of room, lots of privacy, and this big concrete patio outside so you can get outdoors and really enjoy it. It's got a covered space, it's got a swing, it's got room for outdoor furniture. It truly is a wonderful place to just spread out and enjoy the outdoors. And your property line pretty much goes all the way to the trees you see in the background. It really is a beautiful space to enjoy all that God's created. Now from the back of the home, you can see how classic and elegant it looks. It really is a beautiful home. Now as we pan to the right, this is the 2-car garage. You've got a storage space off the back for all your tools like lawnmowers and saws and things of that nature. But let's check out the garage itself because this is nice that you are so close to the house. The paved driveway leads right into the garage, and this is a double garage. It's an oversized double garage. As you can see the truck inside here, you still have plenty of room for workbenches and equipment. I mean, it's well laid out. Look, there's even ladder racks above your head. I mean, it really is a truly good spot to keep all your stuff. And this wraps up our online open house. This home is so classic, so beautiful. that I just want to walk back out front so you can take another look at it. Look how much parking you've got. This home is just exquisite. So if this is a home that you love, that you want to see in person, that you can see yourself living in, please give us a call on our toll-free number, 1-866-MURPHY-NC. That number again is 1-866-MURPHY-NC, and our agents will be more than happy to help you buy this home. It is an incredible opportunity that doesn't come up much, and we would love for you to enjoy it just as much as we do. So give us a call today and let us help you find home right here in the heart of Brasstown. Take care. Have a good one.